Hello everyone. My name is Pure Stoneheart and welcome to my channel. Ngayon guys, gagawa na naman ulit tayo ng panibagong video which is unboxing. Inabot ko ng estudyante ko kahapon. I don't know kung ano to. Birthday actually guys, birthday ko kasi this week. So, ito. It says, Sir Jason, thank you from Reynalyn. Thank you so much, Reynalyn, for giving me this one. Hindi ko alam guys kung ano to. So, parating na natin, bubuksan natin. Huwag na lang natin sirain kasi ibalik natin yung ano. Talagang binalot pa ito niya guys. Isa siyang painting. Isa siyang painting. I always saw your TikTok content that you're always in sorrow. As I asked myself what happened and I thinking blah 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 and all. Pain I always blue in life, especially my work, always employees and my challenges. I do painting. Oh, really? He's the one painting this one. Oh my God, she's the one. Okay, let me say. I always feeling blue in life, especially in my work and my colleagues. I do painting to relieve my pain and heartaches. Sir, in every darkness there's always sunshine and it symbolizes me the pain and the forever happiness. Thank you. I've learned a lot and refresh my knowledge. These teachings which learned from the school always blah 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 and all. Lovely Reynalyn Lotus. Oh my God, thank you so much. Hello. She's the one doing the painting, guys. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Reynalyn. It humbles me. Thank you so much. You take your time to paint, and it humbles me and what do you call this one? I feel so special because of your handcrafting. Thank you so much. Hindi ko na ito tatanggalin guys ha, kasi ang ganda na pagkano. Ipadala ko ito at i-display ko sa bahay ko sa Pinas guys. Once again, thank you so much, Reynalyn, for your birthday present. I love it, super touched. Thank you so much. God bless. And every time, I hope someday, somewhere, someone, you will be find your true happiness and challenges as well. And thank you so much. God bless. Bye-bye. Hope you can watch this video, Reynalyn. Thank you. God bless. Much love, Pure Stoneheart.